Sophia Nova here with Nova Brief, and today we are walking through an actual SEC filing that just dropped. This is not financial advice. Tesla filed an 8K current report on April 22, 2026, and we are reading the document itself line by line so you see exactly what the company disclosed. Stick with me to the end, because the legal language here tells us how Tesla is choosing to release its numbers. Alright, let's start with what this document actually is. It is a Form 8K current report pursuant to Section 13 or 15D of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. The cover page lists Tesla, Inc. as the registrant, with its Texas address at 1 Tesla Road in Austin, Commission File Number 1318605, and trading symbol TSLA on the Nasdaq Global Select Market. The filing states the date of report is April 22, 2026, which is also the date of the earliest event reported. This is the standard way Tesla notifies investors that it has new material information. Next, the headline disclosure. Under Item 2.0, Results of Operations and Financial Condition, the filing states on April 22, 2026, Tesla released its financial results for the quarter ended March 31, 2026, by posting its first quarter 2026 update on its website. The full text of the update is attached as Exhibit 99.1 and incorporated by reference. That is the entire substance of the headline number here. There are no revenue figures, no EPS numbers, and no forward guidance inside this 8K itself. Everything sits in the separate exhibit that is not reproduced in these pages. Moving into the business context and further details, the document confirms Tesla is furnishing this information under Item 2.02 and explicitly says the information shall not be deemed filed for purposes of Section 18 of the Exchange Act. It also will not be incorporated by reference into any future Securities Act or Exchange Act filings unless the company specifically references it. That language is important because it limits Tesla's liability exposure compared to a fully filed report. The exhibit list under Item 9.01 simply repeats that Exhibit 99.1 is the first quarter update dated April 22, 2026, plus the cover page interactive data file. No other exhibits appear. Now for the risks and caveats that the document itself raises. By labeling the update as furnished rather than filed, Tesla is signaling that the numbers inside the exhibit receive less formal SEC scrutiny. The filing also notes that the registrant is not an emerging growth company, removing any extended transition relief language. The signature block shows the report was signed on April 22, 2026 by Brandon Arart, General Counsel and Corporate Secretary, using the electronic signature /S/Brandon Arart. That is the only named individual in the entire document. What does all of this mean in plain terms? It means Tesla is using the lightest possible disclosure vehicle to get its Q1 2026 numbers out to the public. The 8K acts as a pointer to the website update rather than embedding any operating metrics here. Investors who want the actual revenue, margin, or delivery numbers must go read Exhibit 99.1 separately. This structure is common for Tesla, but it keeps the core financial story one click away from the official SEC filing. I'm Sophia Nova with Nova Brief, keeping you ahead of the news.